Okay, so I will demonstrate to you how to run chi-square on SPSS. So again, you go to the file and select the data you will going to run chi-square on SPSS. So once you have now your data, then check the data. We have the intervention and also the risk level. And for each row, it should be one participant. And for variable view, this one, we have the intervention and the risk level. And you may want to click on values. This one, like for example, like you type 1 or what label you want to type in this, then click OK. Click OK. And for the high, also here, click the value and what label you want to type. OK. And then take note that the intervention should be nominal, and for the risk level should be ordinal. And after you set up the data and you are satisfied with the data, then click on the analyze and descriptive statistics and click on cross tabs here. So you will able to see this. And now the next step I will going to do is I will transfer the dependent variable, which is the level of cholesterol, to the rows, and also I will transfer the independent variable, the type of intervention, to the columns. And then after that, I'll go to statistics, then click on chi-square and click continue like this, and you click on cells 2 and you will able to see this. And since our assumptions is to check the expected standard, then deselected the expected, deselected the observe and select the expected. Again, since our assumptions is to the expected standard, then we should deselect the observe and select expected, then continue, then OK. So here I have the tables and cross tabs. This one, the case processing summary of the level of cholesterol's risk, the high, and we have the normal, type of intervention, this one, and the level of cholesterol risk, the expected count, the high and normal, the drug. We have the data here, the diet. We have the data here, exercise, and also we have the total. And we have also the chi-square, our value for the chi-square. We have 9.175, and the ratio, also the linear association, and the asymptotic significance, two-sided here. And we are okay. Since if we are okay with our assumptions, then we can now run the chi-square, then click on analyze, click on analyze, yes, and go to descriptive statistics And now, click on crosstabs. Okay, you will see this one. Then after that, I will go to statistics. If your rows is okay and correct, like level of cholesterol risk, the column should be type of intervention, then I will go to statistics and then click on chi-square here and continue and go back to the cells. And okay, take note, deselected the expected and select the observed now. And then for the percentages, select the column and also the you select the column, and for the z-test, select the compare column proportion, both the together with the adjust p-values Bonferroni method. Then after that, this one again, deselected the expected and select the observed and select the column, and both also the z-test, the compare column proportions, and the adjust p-values. Then you are okay now, then continue. Then you have now the data. Okay. Then we have now the data. We have the chi-square value test. This one. Here, the chi-square test. Here. And for the chi-square test, okay, this one. This will be the data or the results for running the chi-square. Here. This will be the risk level for intervention cross tabulation. Okay, so in this result, interpreting this result with post hoc, then SPSS statistics uses a lettering system in cross tabulation table to highlight which groups have statistically significant differences in proportion. So this one. Okay, after that, we have also the this here. Okay, and okay. So for the chi-square test, we have this data, the 9.117 value percent, or the two-sided asymptotic significance presents the p-value of the test. This one, the 0.001 or equals to 0.010. Then the proportion of each intervention are different in the population. For example, the group proportions are not equal in the population. Here. Okay, then that would be all for running the chi-square on SPSS statistics. So, once again, I am Sohaila Marimpong, and what will be all for my screen recording about the 4 data such as the multiple linear regression, independent samples t-test, paired t-test, and also the chi-square. So, God bless and thank you so much.